not working, you know it. You gotta ask if it's worth it. And let go of all the things that have been hurting or reverting. Don't wanna. Hey you.
They say Bali is more than just a place. It's a mood. And Ubud is the heartbeat of that feeling.
Running, running to you. Hey you, I think we're in the right place. Keep thinking of the things you said. Now my wishes turned out to be true. Oh, tonight, tonight, I've got your hand in mine, and I won't let you go this time. And I just wanna keep this night forever alive. Hey you, you're moving me the right way. Am I dreaming this? It's so unreal. There you are, never thought this could be. Hey you, the stars are falling into place. You make my heart go insane. Now I'm running, running home to you. Oh, tonight, tonight, I've got your hand in mine, and I won't let you go this time. And I just wanna keep this night forever alive. Oh, oh, I'm giving it all for you. Oh, oh, I'm never letting you go. Oh, oh, I'm giving.
Leaving the city behind and driving into the jungle, you realize why people never want to leave. It's not just the greenery or just the amazing hotels. It's the peace you feel the moment you wake up. From the ground to the sky, every angle of this island tells a story. Just look at this drone shots, the view. This is the real magic of Bali.
Just wanna keep this night forever alive.
touch.